Hello guys. So here we are again. This is our tech tutorial. Baby steps to browser automation and web scraping. Well, it is our second video, but then it's our tech tutorial. We need to check our blog, our site. Okay, so what are we doing today? Let's quickly open Google. Okay, so we are going to build a script that will open Google and type hello world and hit enter. Yeah, that's it. Simple as that. That's what we're going to do today. So yeah, we have an empty script. So first we import from Selenium import WebDriver. Then we can initialize our driver, WebDriver.Firefox. Okay, so just this will open Firefox browser. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it works. It opens a blank tab and then it's there. Or we can also use Chrome. There are other browsers too. Just have a look. Chrome, Firefox, Android. I've never used this. You have Edge, have IE, Opera, Phantom JS, which they now do not support, so they will advise you not to use. Yeah, Safari. Okay, but we'll be making use of these two. So let's stick with one for now. Good. So now our next step is to go to Google. So we use get. Get is it's a method that allows us to get web pages. So we want to go to google.com. We use get to open it. Yeah, that's it. So run the script. What do we have to open? Yeah, that's it. We have Google. Nice, right? Okay, so back to our script. Now, we want to enter hello world into this bar. How do we get hold of this bar? Let's inspect. We have it's an input, has an ID, LSTIB, has a name kill. I love this better. I love this. It's complicated. Okay, so we are going to make use of the name. We are going to capture an input tag that has this name, or any tag that has this name kill, which is going to be this input tag, definitely. So let's go. Driver.find elements by name. That's the method we need. Name is kill because the attribute we saw there was name. We could have done driver.find element by ID, then pass ls, or what was it? IB, yeah, whatever that is. We won't be using it, so let's just get rid of it. Okay, so find element by name kill. This should give us the text field. Okay, so let's say search field, whatever you want to call it. It's a variable. So we get hold of the text input. Now we want to enter hello world. So we say search field dot send keys hello world. Okay, so this send keys allows you to send any string of characters to an input field. Yeah, there's more to it too. We use the same send keys to hit enter. So let's run this and see what happens. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that was fast. Okay. And then hit enter. So this is what we're going to do. Search for dot send keys keys dot okay, so we have to import keys. So this an interesting thing about this IDE, I love it so much. PyCharm from IntelliJ. These guys are good. So alt enter, right, and then it gives you import blah blah blah. Just click on it and import keys for you. So we use keys dot enter. We have all the special keys here. Okay, so right after typing hello world, we hit enter. That's what we're gonna do. So that's what the script is also gonna do. Hello world. Interesting. Yeah, basically that's it. But let's do something something silly but nice. Let's just make it look as if someone is typing at a slow pace. Let's say the person types one character every quarter of a second. Is that too slow? So let's import time. From time, let's import sleep. Time import sleep. Okay, so we are going to enter H. To make it nicer, let's just say text equals hello world. For range for I in range, length of text. I wonder if this will work the way I want it to. Let's all find out together. Let's see. Enter text I. For I in text. Okay, I'm not sure of this. But let me just try this. Let's comment this out quickly. Print I. Let's just do a test. Quick one. Let's comment out all these browser stuff. Yes. Quick one. Okay, very quick. Oh yeah, it works the way I expected it to. Okay, so yeah. So we're going to send keys. I'm going to send them character by character, but when we enter any of them, I'm going to sleep for 0.1 second. Let's make it 2. Okay, then after everything, you're gonna hit enter. Isn't that cool? That's gonna look like someone typing. A slow typist, maybe my grandma. Okay, so we hit this. Let's see how it goes. Okay, get ready. Start. Interesting. Whoa. Nice. Okay, so hope you had fun. We're going to do a lot more than this. This source code, I'll put it at the base of this video tutorial so that you can have access to it. Yeah, hope to see you in our next tutorial. Have fun, stay focused. Bye.